Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to iterate over dictionary using for loop. First go to a Python terminal. There are different possible ways to iterating over a dictionary using for loop in Python. First I am going to create a simple dictionary. Okay, d equals the curly braces, it shows it is a dictionary, and the structure of dictionary is a key value arrangement. Okay, just print the dictionary. Okay, this is the dictionary that I created just now. Okay, now I am going to using now I am going to show you how to iterate over dictionary using for loop using inbuilt function iter items. Okay, for key value in iter items, it is a method in d dot the dictionary, the name of dictionary dot iter items, then full colon, enter. Okay, print key value. Okay, the iter items will go through the dictionary D. Okay, you can see the output here. This is key and its corresponding value is this, and this is another key and the corresponding value is this. Okay, in this way the iter items method we can iterate over a dictionary using for loop. Next, the inbuilt function items, not iter items, it is only items. Okay, for I am using the same dictionary D. For key value in d dot items, full colon. Okay, then the same statement, print key value. Okay, in this way using the items method we can also iterating over a dictionary. Next I am going to show you without any inbuilt function how iterating over a dictionary using for loop. For key in D, there is I am not using any of the inbuilt functions, either iter items or items. Okay, only the dictionary. Okay, print key and D of key. It will print, first of all it will print the key and the corresponding value. Okay, in this always we can iterate over a dictionary using for loop in Python. Hope you guys get how to iterating over a dictionary using for loop. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.